So you'd like to learn to trade, but you're not really sure where to start. You've seen a few videos online, you've seen some expensive courses which you just can't afford to buy, but you really don't want to miss out on the world of trading. You want to get on with your education. Well, you are in the right place today, because in this video I'm going to give you free access to the ultimate trading course, and it's all free here on YouTube. It's based around my 25 plus years professional trading risk management experience in big companies all around the world, and I'm one of the leading technical analysts, so I'm hoping that I can give you all that input, like I say, totally free in this course. Now in this video I'm going to take you through how you can access it and take you through how you should proceed through the course to get the maximum benefit out of it. So with that, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to need to hit the home page of the YouTube channel at the Stop Hunter, and if you look down to where it talks about playlists, you can see that on the home page there down the bottom of your screen, second from the left, the ultimate free trading course. Click on that and we'll go through what it's all about, the content and how you should use it. So you've entered the course. What you need to do, first suggestion, look at that first video. It's going to teach you all you need to know about the course, and then work your way from top to the bottom. You've got in the introduction, the start, all those essential questions, the basics that you need to know. Then we move into technical analysis in great detail, again all you need to know. Then we cover off all the different areas: stocks, options, futures, bond markets, cryptocurrency markets, forex markets, a load of strategies for you to test and try out. It's all there: risk management, trade management tips, how to build your trading plan. Like I said, it's all in here and it's all totally free. So what have you got to lose? Get started, get stuck in, and work your way through that course.